Hello everybody. Well, less than a week ago we did a 700 subscriber giveaway, and now we're doing an 800 subscriber giveaway.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart with a jack wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So, 800 in about a week. From 7 to 800 in about a week. That was something incredible. So thank you to everybody that has subscribed to the channel, past and present. Really is great. The next 2 giveaways, well, 3 giveaways technically, are going to be pretty special because 800 is a big milestone for us. So pretty happy about that. 900 is even bigger, and then 1,000. Well, that's the biggest giveaway of them all. Well, the biggest one we can afford. So this one's going to be a little different. It's going to be kind of awesome. But first and foremost, thank you to everybody. So what are we giving away? Well, for starters, since everybody liked it last time, we're going to give away a couple stickers. So you get 2 Pittsburgh Picker stickers. You can put them on your car. You can blow them up. Put a big banner in front of your house. You know, maybe buy a billboard. You know, whatever you want to do with them, you can do with them. You know, within the limits of the law, of course. And then what else are we getting away? Well, some more shameless self-promotion. I have been working on some merch for you guys. So, you know, if you want to buy and support the channel, that's great. We're going to be launching a website probably in the coming months of just some merch that you can buy. Coffee cups, t-shirts, stickers, whatever have you. But in the process of that, I've been shopping some vendors and getting some prototypes made of certain things. And I'm going to give one of those away for 800 subscribers. And here it is. This is the First Run prototype Pittsburgh Picker t-shirt. How about that? So I have 2 of them. I only ordered 2 just to kind of get a feel for what the t-shirts are going to be like. So I have an extra large and a 3X. Either one you can have. Just let me know whenever you reach out to me. But so that's it. You're going to get that. You're going to get 2 Pittsburgh Picker stickers. And you're going to get 2 business cards signed by Sarah and myself. And that is what we're giving away. So, how do you enter? Well, like usual, you have to subscribe to the channel. That's first and foremost. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, first thing you got to do is click the subscribe button down there. Second thing you got to do is more clicking. I know. Might get a cramp in your finger. You want to click the like button right near that. It's, you know, on the other side. Subscribe button's over here. Like button's over here. It's just a thumb up, not the thumb down. Don't click the thumb down. Click the thumbs up. And then, third, you have to comment something. And what are you going to comment? Well, you're going to comment this. All one word. Yay, Y-A-Y, 800. So, Y-A-Y, and the number 800. All together, don't put a space, because if you put a space, you'll be, you won't show up on my, I can't type in 2 different styles of words. So, yay, Y-A-Y, 800. I'll put it up here in case you guys need a visual aid. And that's it. So, thank you to everybody who subscribed. Thank you to everybody in the comments. Just thank you in general to each and every one of you for being part of this. It's really quite amazing when we started this channel. Didn't think anybody would really watch. And now people are actually watching, and it's amazing, and we just love it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.
Good day, sir!